Hi, this video is about how to import SKP models into AiHouse. First, you will need to go to AiHouse website and then support download. You will need to download the AiHouse tool here. So just move your mouse to the button and click on it. And then your Chrome will pop up a window asking where you want to save the download. You can just save it to your desktop. Download both tools. Once they are downloaded, you will need to unzip the files. Just right click and extract them. Depends on which extractor you are using. Once you extracted the files, you can just remove the zip files. For this model convert folder, open it. You should see the 3VJA tool. You can just right click and create a shortcut on your desktop for ease of use. And then this is the SKP converter. This converter is to help you to convert the SKP version. Please ignore the question marks as it is not affecting the usage of this tool. You may refer to this picture for the wordings. Basically, you just select the version you want to convert to and drop the SKP file here. Just click here to close. We will go through the steps later. Now, let's say you want to download models from the 3D warehouse. As you can see here, the lowest version that you can download is 2019. So I'll save it to the desktop first. And this is the model that I downloaded. Before we can import to AiHouse, we have to convert it into 3D Max model and zip it using the 3VJA tool. So let's open the 3VJA tool. As you can see here, in order to convert it here, the model has to be in 2015 or below. Our model is in 2019, so we will need to convert it to a lower version first. So let's open the converter now. Here you choose the version to convert, let's say 2014, and then go back to the desktop and open the converter again. Just drop the 2019 SKP model here. You will see the finish pop up and the converted model will appear on the same location. Once the model is converted, you can remove the original file. Now we can go back to the 3VJA tool. We have done the first step. The second step is to set the path you want to save the model you convert later on. So I will right click on my desktop and create a new folder and name it Converted SKP. And then click on this output directory and choose the Converted SKP folder. Then next, click on Choose SKP and select the SKP model. Click Start Convert. Wait until you see SKP convert to the location. That means the file is converted successfully. So I'll open the folder. Here's the converted file in zip. Now we can proceed to upload to AiHouse. Open the AiHouse software and go to My Upload Model. And then click Upload Model. You will be directed to Business Center. So here you can just choose furniture for all general 3D models. Name model. And then set the placement rule. I'll just put 3. The size will be auto-detected, so you can just proceed to upload the model. Please upload the zip file and submit. Wait for it to load. You can refresh until you see the image of the model appear. So this is how to import SKP model to AiHouse. Happy trying. Bye.